Connection of two pieces of RGB LED strip with a flexible wire for easier installation in corners. A flexible connection of parts of the LED strip is needed when installing in corners, when the LED strip does not end but continues, to ensure uniform lighting. For internal angles, corners, and external angles, corners. Flexible RGB, multicolor, LED strip light 12 volts, Super Night LED strip lights, 16.4 feet 5 MSMD 300 LEDs. Description of the RGB LED strip power wires. Blue, negative wire, minus, of blue LEDs. Red, negative wire, minus, of red LEDs. Green, negative wire, minus, of green LEDs. Black, common positive, plus, wire of all LEDs. Insulating cover for the soldered connection. RGB LED strip. Cutting points. This strip can be cut at every 3 inches. Description of RGB LED strip connection terminals for soldering after cutting. Connection terminal, B, for the negative wire, blue, of the blue LEDs. Connection terminal, R, for the negative wire, red, of the red LEDs. Connection terminal, G, for the negative wire, green, of the green LEDs. Common plus 12 volts connection terminal for the positive wire, black, for all LEDs. RGB LED power wire 22 gauge, same as the short LED strip power wire. The two pieces of RGB LED strip will be connected together by LED wire to ensure a flexible connection between them. Cut the LED strip to the length needed before the LED strip has to turn in a different direction. Remove the PVC lens covering the LEDs at the connection terminals where soldering will be performed. Cut a piece of the RGB LED power wire, 2 to 3 inches, that you will need to change the direction of the LED strip in the corner, and strip the ends of these wires to a length of about 1/8 inch. Set the soldering station to a temperature of approximately 430 degrees Fahrenheit. Cover stripped wire ends with solder tin by dipping them in solder rosin to ensure better adhesion of the tin to the wire. Prepare the connection terminals of the LED strips for soldering the wires by coating them with soldering tin and rosin. Solder the prepared wire pieces to the connection terminals of one of the LED strip elements as follows. Black wire to terminal, plus 12 volts, common for all LEDs, positive. Green wire to terminal, G, green LEDs, negative. Red wire to terminal, R, red LEDs, negative. Blue wire to terminal, B, blue LEDs, negative. Connect the other ends of the same wires in the same way to another, previously prepared piece of LED strip. Use electrical insulating tape to cover solder connections. Test the connected LED strip light. If this video is helpful, please subscribe. Comments are welcome.